Welcome. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to install Chrome Sign Builder. We begin by opening our admin panel. Select Devices. On the left-hand side, Chrome, Apps and Extensions, Kiosks. Once in Kiosks, select where you want to install the Chrome app. So for me, it's going to be under Chrome Devices, Digital Signage 2. Select the plus, go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Chrome Sign Builder, do a search, here it is, select it, choose Select, and now you've installed Chrome Sign Builder on this org here. Next, you want to auto launch the app. Select the auto launch, Chrome Sign Builder. On the right hand side, choose Allow the app to manage the power. And this is where you'll upload the schedule. You'll see that in later videos. If you want to do Enable Health Monitoring, you can do that as well. Select that. Then choose Save, and that's pretty much it. The Chrome Sign Builder app will launch automatically on this org. If you add other orgs below this org, this app will also be installed with these settings. Now the other thing you might consider doing, going in on the left hand side and selecting Devices, Settings, Devices. If you scroll down, you'll have a place where you can get the alerts sent to about your signage. So that would be here. You can put in an email address that you want the alerts to go to. Select Receive Alerts and select Save. And that should be pretty much it. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.